Most businesses think SEO agencies build backlinks manually, but that's not how it works anymore. Today, agencies use systems, tools, and marketplaces to build high-quality backlinks at scale. In this video, I'll show you exactly how SEO agencies build backlinks for their clients, step by step. Backlinks are still one of Google's strongest ranking factors. When a high-quality website links to you, it tells Google your content is trustworthy. That's why agencies focus heavily on link building to improve rankings, traffic, and authority. First, agencies don't build random backlinks. They choose specific pages to rank, like service pages, blog posts, or landing pages. Then they match backlinks with keywords they want to rank for. This makes every link more strategic and powerful. Next, agencies find websites that can give backlinks. They look for relevant niche sites, high traffic websites, strong domain authority, but doing this manually takes a lot of time. So most agencies use guest post marketplaces to find websites faster. Instead of cold outreach, many agencies use platforms like Adsy. These platforms give you access to thousands of websites where you can publish guest posts with backlinks. You can filter by domain rating, traffic, niche, price. This makes link building faster, scalable, and more predictable. After selecting a website, agencies create content. They naturally insert backlinks using anchor text. Good agencies avoid spammy anchors and keep links relevant and natural. This helps maintain long-term rankings. Finally, agencies scale the process. Instead of building a few links, they build backlinks every month. This consistent strategy helps clients rank higher, get more traffic, build authority over time. If you want to build backlinks like SEO agencies, you don't need a big team. You can use the same platforms they use. I've added a link in the description where you can access Adsy and start building backlinks. Try it yourself and see how it works. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more SEO and online business content.